Hey guys, welcome to Simplifying Tech. So in today's session, we are going to check how we can edit your PDF files from browser. That is an online way of editing the PDFs without any watermark. So it is a totally free of cost. Okay, so name of the online PDF editor is Sejda. So there are lots of things we can do with the online PDF editor. So this is a very popular tool, so which can help you with the different requirements, like we can able to edit the text, then we can able to create the signature, then we can able to change the font, change the color of the font, then we can reduce the size of your PDF, that is a compress your PDF, then it will remove the non-required pages from the PDF document, and then it can combine the multiple PDFs together into one PDF. So these are some features. There are many more features are there, but these are the main features it will give. So let's move to online editor and type Sejda. Okay, so this is the website of Sejda. Here we can upload our PDF document and start editing. So edit the PDF document, it's free. So let's click on this, and it is saying upload PDF document. So let's go to, so I have some sample PDFs, so let's open some PDF. Okay, so you can see this is my PDF. So this is the sample invoice. So suppose in this document I want to change the address. So let's click on this address and erase this existing one and type the new one. So that is a New South Wales Haymarket, and type the city name is Sydney and type the pin code. So we have changed our address from old to new. Suppose invoice date we want to change, so let's put today's date. So it's August 15 2024. Okay, so here also we can put August 15. So you can see it is automatically changing these fonts as per the existing font only. So you don't need to worry about fonts, and it will automatically sync the fonts with the existing fonts only. Let's edit some more data. Okay, so suppose this price is changed now from 950 to 1950. Okay, so this is like that. So we have changed this price, then this dates, this address. So whatever you require, so you can change it. Like suppose bank account number we want to change, then last digit will change to 9. So you can see it is automatically sync your font also. Suppose bank account number I want in bold format, so I can do in bold format. This is the italic one, so you can select in italics. Font size also you can change, font also you can change, color of the font you can change. Yeah, so like this. So here you can see there are different formats, you can insert the image also. So this is the signature we can edit. Okay, so you can add the signature also. Suppose for example I want to add my signature here, so like this. So you cannot able to differentiate the real signature and this PDF editor signature. So like this we can add the signature, we can add the images also into my PDF, and we can add the shapes also. So like this there are different features that we can use from this editor. Okay, now let's apply this. Yeah, and let's download this. So yeah, so this is the downloaded one. So you can see New South Wales Haymarket. So this is the change, and this date is also changed. His signature is also coming. So my old one, let me open the old one. So you can see the old one, the dates are old one, and here the dates are new one. So this is the difference. So you can see it is automatically sync the format and font name also. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose I want to edit some another document, then upload our PDF again. That is a magic.pdf. Yeah, so suppose this is my document, and here also I want to change this. Okay, so this is a computer program Prince. I want to change the name of the heading. I want to change, suppose heading Prince program. Okay, so I can change my orientation also. Okay, so font is also synced. So now suppose I want to change this heading, then I can change this heading also, automatic. Okay, so like this. Here suppose instead of column I can write rows and columns. So rows and columns. So So I can change this URL also, prints XML. Suppose I can take converter. So this way I can change this and we can able to edit this document. Okay, so now let's say apply changes and download. Let's say download. Yeah, it is open. So now earlier, so let me open the earlier one. Okay, so you can see the magic of prints is changed to magic of prints program. You can see this text is also changed, and here columns and rows and columns like this, it is changed. So this website is changed. So like this you can able to edit different formats, or you can able to create different types of format, or you can change existing PDF. So like this you can able to use this converter for your daily requirements. Stay tuned for further interesting sessions, and thanks a lot for watching.